Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like.
First of all, the 5 topics I chose them myself. I sat down.
We love you guys.
As a businessman and said, look, what are the things affecting my business? And I identified those 5. And they seamlessly, connect to each other. Are you saying that as private sector man, some of my factories have been closed? I don't need security to resume production? Certainly not. Are you going to tell me that I don't need education? I can see what non-education or children not going back to school or universities closed. Even though my university has not closed, we have never gone on strike for 1 day. Never.